Hey you guys, my name is Megan. A little bit about me. I'm currently sitting at 10 years active duty for the Army. I'm AGR. For most of you that don't know what it is, it's basically active duty for reserve components. I get all the perks of being active duty, but I work for the reserves. So I plan on completing my 20 years in the military and jumping into a career as a wildlife conservationist. I enjoy everything outdoors, especially when it's with my good company and my dogs. I'm currently based in Boise, Idaho. I used to be stationed in Southern California, but being that I'm now in Boise, Idaho, there's a lot of outdoor recreation. I'm currently working towards my degree in environmental policy management with a concentration in fish and wildlife. My overall goal is to have a career that's meaningful and that I find fulfilling. Goals that I plan on completing. Right now, I am 9 credit hours away from completing my master's program. I'm hoping to complete in December of this year and then walk next summer in DC. After which, I plan on obtaining my private pilot's license. After I get out of the military, I would like to work for the Alaskan Forestry Conservation and Research Field for a year or two just to get my foot in the door. And then eventually after that, I would like to jump into my PhD in conservation biology. My biggest goal though is making an impact and eventually educating our youth on the importance of biodiversity, the effects of an unbalanced ecosystem, and the importance of conservation. The reason why I am choosing to take wildlife management is to have a better understanding of what wildlife management is. I would like to be able to indicate factors of intervention and contribute to better assisting the ecosystem, wildlife population, and their habitats. Wildlife conservation as well as animal rehabilitation is something that's very near and dear to my heart. I feel that they both go hand in hand. One of the biggest factors of why I'm choosing to take this course is to expand my knowledge on conservation and natural resources and to learn more about the preservation of wildlife.